is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today we're going to be just doing another cozy fall vlog. You guys absolutely loved the last one, although the last one was kind of a bit more like fall shop and decorate with me, but I decided to do another like cozy fall vlog. I've got a cozy fall cardigan on, and I'm really excited about today's vlog. We have some really fun things planned, as you can probably tell by the title, but our first stop today is Starbucks. I really want to try the new apple flat white drink. I'm not sure I'm gonna feel about it because I'm a big pumpkin gal, but I figured we'd give it a try so you guys can hear my review. Then we have a few quick errands to run, and this evening I'm gonna make a little like fall inspired dessert tonight and just kind of see where the afternoon night takes us. So let's go get a coffee and start the day off. Okay guys, I just got my Starbucks. I have no idea where my glasses are, so that's great. I just got a tall because I've already had 2 coffees today. I love that this is already dairy free because you guys know I'm a dairy free gal. I just want to say, if you guys are gal, I liked my coffee to taste like coffee. Like, I get the pumpkin cold brew. Like, I literally just get nice coffee with a pump of pumpkin. I can't handle sweet coffee. Like, I just can't. I love my coffee black. So, I'm honestly not sure if I'm going to like this. I got it half sweet, which has 1.5 pumps of apple. And normally in like a venti coffee, I get a 1 pump. So, I'm a little nervous. I also just don't like lattes and flat whites. Like, I don't like more milk than coffee, if that makes sense. That's why I just love coffee, iced coffee, cold brew. I like a big amount of coffee to a little amount of milk instead of like a latte that's like a lot of milk and like a little espresso. So we'll see how it is. A bunch of the girls at work got it and said it tastes like apple pie, so I'm excited. I'm just a little nervous. Oh, that's really interesting. Okay, so the apple syrup is not overly sweet. I really like that. Wow. I wasn't sure how I'd feel about the apple, but it's so tasty. It's definitely not sweet at all. So nice. It kind of just tastes like a little apple pie drink, but it's so good and it's not super sweet. So if you like sweet stuff, you'll probably want to get like not half sweet, but if you're like me and don't like stuff super sweet, half sweet's the way to go. This is really yummy. I'm curious to see how it would taste in a cold brew. Maybe next time I'll do like a cold brew with a pump of apple, but so yummy, you guys. Wow, I really love this. I'm really happy I got it. So, but yeah, this is so yummy. I'm so glad I got this. This playlist, it's Abby Aslan's Fall Feels, so we're gonna listen to this on our little drive. Chat with you guys a little later on this evening, but for now I'm going to go home, enjoy the rest of my little apple oat flat white, head out to lunch with some friends, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Alrighty guys, so it's a little while later now, and by little I mean it's literally 6:45. I just had a nice afternoon. I edited some videos, and Matt and I actually just got back from getting some Korean food with friends. It was so yummy. I had some, I never know how to say the word, bibimbap. Had a hot stone bowl bibimbap. It was very good, very delicious. I totally butchered that and I'm so sorry, but I'm super excited to tell you guys that today's video is actually sponsored by Pupnaps. This is so cool, and I'm so excited that I'm kind of getting into like the doggy niche of YouTube. We're really excited. As you guys can tell, I think I've even shown you guys in previous vlogs and all over my Instagram, Stella loves her Pupnaps bed. Can you guys hear in the background? This is real life for the puppy. She's literally having some zoomies right now. But we love our Pupnaps bed. I'll show you guys a bit closer up after, but it has calming effects, which allows dogs to sleep not only for longer, but just like better and calmer in general. Stella had some issues adapting to her crate, and as soon as we put her Pupnaps in, she was awesome and settled down. She loves it. It's like her place to go now. She loves her Pupnaps bed so much. A raised rim, which mimics the feeling of a dog or a puppy being hugged by their mother, and ultimately has just been so soothing and calming for Stella, especially since at the beginning she did have a lot of separation anxiety from her mother. I actually had her for like almost a month now, I'd say, and Stella literally sleeps in it every day, you guys. So I wanted to compare kind of like to a regular dog bed. So we bought a dog bed from Costco before we got her, and as much as we liked it, we found it like very flat and like dull and just like not exciting. And what I love most about the Pupnaps bed is that it has so much filling in it. It's just like so cushiony. I'm not gonna lie, I've taken a nap or two on it before. Like, it's that comfortable. We love it so much, and it's just like super furry and unlike any other dog bed we've ever seen before. Like, it's so unique and awesome. And the great thing about it too is that it has a zipper and you can remove it. You can put it in the wash, which is awesome because obviously puppies have accidents. For kind and give me a discount code for you guys, which I will put up on the screen. It's Carter25 for $25 off your purchase, which is so sweet and generous of them. So thank you so much, Pupnaps, for collaborating with me on today's video. I'll have all the links down below in the description for you guys, and let's have a cozy fall evening. I'm really in the mood to have a cozy fall tonight. I don't know what it is. It's not really gonna be a night routine. I just want to have a cozy fall evening. I've decided we're gonna make apple fritters because apple fritters are like my favorite donut, and I was like, why don't we try and make it because we have an abundance of apples. So we're gonna do that, but first I want to show you guys some packages that we got in the mail that are kind of fun in fall. I just also wanted a brown, I also just wanted a brown hat. I have a black hat, but I don't know, for fall on Pinterest I've been seeing a lot of brown hats, and for some reason it's super hard to find a brown hat here in Canada, so I just ordered one off of Amazon. Leave it linked down below because they had a ton of colors. So cute, I love it. I love the little detailing here, and it is just like the perfect fall hat. I'm super obsessed with it. I'm on a little shopping spree and I'm really excited about it. And oh, and I also ordered these. These are felt balls. I got them off of Etsy because I want to make some like Halloween garland. I just need to go and buy like string from like Michael's at the dollar store, but I got these felt garlands. They're just like white, black, and orange. I kind of think they also might look cute in like a mason jar. Do you guys think that would look cute? I don't know, we'll see. But I got these and I'm excited to decorate with them. So that's that. But plan for this evening is I'm gonna make apple fritters. We're gonna make our fall bucket list, just have a cozy fun night, and I think we're also gonna put some twinkly lights up here because I have some. So let's just have a fun little spooky fall evening, shall we? This is my favorite thing to listen to. Don't know why, it's just very spooky. See, we need to put our slippers on for a little cozy fall night. Definitely want to get some more fairy lights for in here. I just think it would be kind of cute, but for now I have these fairy lights that I actually bought when we had a Disney date night at home, so I'm gonna kind of fish them through and see what it looks like. But I definitely want to get more and like more fall ones, but I think for now this will be cozy and cute. Okay, I mean, this looks pretty easy and I already have everything for it, which is awesome. So let's get everything out and see where we're at. Ready guys, we have a glass of wine. Yes, I have ice cubes in it. I've got my cooling rack ready for frying. I've got my apple fritters ready for frying, and I'm just waiting for the oil to heat up. And I've got a puppy who wants some wine, huh? Super easy. I just put them on the cooling rack and they turned out so stinking cute. I'm just gonna wait for them to cool down a little bit and then we'll do the like frosting glaze and we'll try them. I'm literally so excited. I love apple fritters so much, you guys. Alrighty guys, we have the twinkly lights on. I have my laptop here. I have my glass of wine. We're having such a fun, cozy fall evening. I'm really hyped. And I got my little apple fritter. Look how beautiful she looks. Mmm. So good. It definitely tastes homemade, if that makes sense. Like, not in a bad way. Just like, it's not like as doughy as it would be if you got it from like Tim Hortons or something, or like Dunkin', but so good. Oh, happy. I'm gonna keep eating this and let's look up some like fall bucket list info and then we're gonna make one. I like putting my bucket list on my phone and not writing them out, only because I like to be able to check them off, or like if Matt and I are very much the type of people to be like, let's do something on the bucket list today, and I can just pull it up on my phone. So we're gonna get some inspo from Pinterest, and then I'll share what's on my bucket list. All bucket list. This is everything we have. I obviously had to add apple picking and just check it off since we did it, but this is everything on it. Feel free to like screenshot it or write everything down. And then I also just made a list of Halloween movies that we love to watch every year. So I'm super excited for this. It's my little fall bucket list. I love it. I love it so much. So guys, I turned the lights off for a little bit, but I just changed into my little PJs, which I am wearing shorts by the way, but I'll show you guys my shirt. It is so stinking cute. It's from Mickey's Not So Scary 2 years ago. It's actually like a 3XL. It's all they had left at the time, and my dad was like, don't buy it, you're not gonna wear it. And I literally wear it to bed every night on the fall season. It's a 25 years of The Nightmare Before Christmas. I love it so much. It's so big on me. It's like a dress and I love it. It's my favorite little PJ shirt. So I'm gonna sit down and watch some YouTube videos and catch up with you guys later.